My name is Marco Aning. Shop name is Campbell Mercedes. Repair Tech has streamlined our process here at the shop. The software I was using before Repair Tech was QuickBooks Online. My biggest headache day to day was putting stuff online on my other software and not saving it and have all my information get erased was the worst part of it. With Repair Tech, you could put information in and it saves it automatically, so it's real easy. My favorite thing is just being up to date, being able to send estimates, invoices, information online, text messages versus calling all the time. Just the whole process of checking in customers, inputting their information, appointments, scheduling, to repair orders, to billing, it's all really streamlined and easy. The onboarding process was super easy. I would refer Repair Tech to any other shop owner. The whole system has been really good for us here at the shop. It saves me a lot of time.